Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have another earwax extraction video for you. This particular lady had some irrigation done at her local GP surgery last week, but it just made the matters worse. It just impacted a lot more of this wax and not removed it, so she's coming to clinic today to have this removed. So we opted to use the Jobson Horne first because the wax is quite solid in nature. Especially on the outer part of the ear canal, so I'm hoping that we can get quite a large section away using the Jobson Horne. So we're going over the wax, just pressing into it. There you go, you can see it's just starting to come out. We just lose it a little bit there, but aim to go back over the top. You should see that wax there. There you go. And going with a standard size ulnar tube now to do a little bit more of the clearance. Just getting a grip on the wax. This has got to manoeuvre down the ear canal, staying together quite nicely, so we're just going to try and get it out in larger pieces if we can. You can see there's lots of little bits of hair embedded in there, so it's binding this wax together. A little bit of dry skin there to the right side of the camera, and getting the next grip. Trying to keep a firm pressure on this as we take it out, just to try and take it out in larger pieces. Just wiggling it up and down. You can see the next sections there just coming out of the ear canal, so we'll get a grip on that section. There we go. Luckily, as we were pulling this wax out, it was dragging the wax from deeper in the canal forward, so there we are, nice clear eardrum. And this is what we took away, so you can see how hard, you can see that the hair embedded in these bits of wax as well. Well, thank you very much for watching again today, and if you did like the video, then please like, share and subscribe, and take care.